go, lads. Here we go. We've got the Air 3 S unboxing. You don't get any more raw of an unboxing than this bad boy. Look at this. What do we get? It's a bundle. Fly more for the DJI RC2. So pretty excited about that with a big range. So what do we get? This was, how much was this? It was $2.5 big dollars. 2.5 of the big ones. Right, not a bad price. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get open. Don't want to keep the box. I don't care about the box. That's all I care about. Ooh, hang on. What's in here? What is in here, Mike? First and foremost, it's got this big fancy looking bag. Here we go. It's going to tell us to scan the QR code before first use. Yep. Right, we'll do that. Sounds good. So what have we got in here? Well, how does this open? Oh, I'm just going to pull this down. Just pull it down a little bit and it'll work. Here we go. We've got a little bit of something in here. What's in here? What's in here there? Oh, we've got because we don't have enough USB-C cables. That is wonderful. Then we've got some stickers we can throw on something. Yep, all right. Little silica things. These can go before my dog chews them. I can't start with big boy. Here we go. We've got some, that there. That has to be the propellers. The propellers. They give you a spare set too, which is always good. Apparently this one here you can't crash it too easily. But what have we got here? This is a... What is this? Ooh, I don't even know what this is going to be. I hope it's ND filters. That would be sick if this came with the ND filters, but I don't reckon it is. What is it? What is it? Ooh, what is it? Oh, I've got to unclip that. Up. Oh, it is! It is! It comes with ND filters! Oh, that's very awesome. That's oh, I thought I was going to have to fork out another 150 or something for some ND filters, but no, comes with them. Oh, what else we got? What else we got? Ooh, it's a big, this big boy right here. That one there. I've got the Mini 3 Pro, and that controller is pretty nice. So much better than using your phone. So here we have this bad boy. Got a couple of little antenna things. Makes that a bit better. Let's see if we can turn that on. Let that bad boy load up. What else is in here? Aha, the battery pack. There you go. There's one's obviously still in the drone itself. The one thing I've heard about these is that's really cool is that they will you can get it to balance out. So if you've got 3 batteries which are all partly full, you can make it have one full, like you take the battery from one to the others. Right, so here we go. Yeah, so these you can load up. Where are we going? Well, they need to charge, obviously. That's good. What else is in here? Could be something else here. No, that's it. This is actually a pretty good bag. A lot of the times the bags are little and not very good, but someone's a bit exploded. I reckon this will probably be faster 0 to 100 than my Great Wall. All of this is actually, this shows how easy this is to unpack. It's all done one-handed. And I used my mouth on that one. Here we go, people. Seriously, they should have done this white and done like a blackout effect, like the new F trucks and all those things. How cool is that? So you could put that and just say that, no, we're not going to fly with that on. That's just stupid. Stupid! So what's this say? All right, it's got some stickers on here. What does that sticker say? Something about press here to remove the gimbal protector. What the hell? I don't understand what that... Press here. There's a place to press. Well, I don't even understand what that's saying. it's saying press next to something. Is it here? No. I feel really special right now. Press here, press here. Come on. Press somewhere. Press. I'm just going to press a whole heap of places. Let's see again. Oh, this is just making this video horrible. Press here to remove the gimbal protector. 1. Okay, I'm going to press. Right, so I got it off. However, I don't know how to get it back on. So I'll put this on over the top. And I just reefed it off in the end. So maybe that's why I've probably already broken it. Yeah, it's not the simplest thing in the world, this thing. Anyway, I'll sort that out later. Here we have it. There we go. Look at, hello. G'day. G'day, little one. How are you? Whew, that's too cool. All right, well, there's the unboxing, basically. Oh, I can't. Oh, here we go. And that is it. Unboxed. And now I'm going to get it all ready to fly, but I'm going to charge it all up first because I've got other things that I need to be doing. All right, there we go. Welcome to the world, DJI Air 3 S. Welcome to the world.